so cold. The car. Name of the car is MethHead. John Gorrie. This car is very, very popular. He runs this car in what, Outlaw 28?
28. We used to be 29. Some no prep stuff, but you know I hadn't really been. I've been off slicks for a little while. Just anything where John Dock is, we could go take him out. So
this is the plan. The donkey stomp John Dock everywhere.
Yeah, remember he was talking smack on YouTube. So we're here. What did I ask you first? Where is he?
It's John coming today. That's right. John asked me here as soon as we got here. He's like, "Is John Dock coming today?" I was like, "Man, I don't know. I had to talk to him." So this is John Dock's official call out.
Yeah, he's been called out.
Okay, official on YouTube. MethHead versus the Black Sheep.
Mod Grand National Black Sheep with that badass TKM motor against this thing.
John, he just called your Grand National a pro mod.
There's more pro mod than this. Factory style front suspension. Come on, all steel. Come on now. Well, except for the cab. I can't lie in the front.
No, this thing is awesome, man. He's had this car out forever. He's been racing. How long have you had this car?
6 years.
6 years, man, and it has progressed a lot.
Yeah, it was pro charger before with a big block Chevy.
Right.
Doing pretty decent on that. Did some pro mod stuff, and then switched over to the Hemi, and been paying ever since.
The Hemi's a pain.
Pain and pay.
Pain and pay. That's funny. Dude, this thing is sick, and you can see this thing. He was just explaining to me. He runs this thing really rich at idle, and look at the condensation. It has the fuel going through the blower here. It actually cools and lubricates the blower. So, I mean, he's got injectors up here, and then, I mean, it's just freaking awesome. This thing is unbelievable. So this car is cool. So he likes to race. He's out and about everywhere. He runs the Carolina No Time, the Extreme 28. This thing is freaking awesome. This is an awesome car. Out here testing. The weather's been kind of bad. So this is a nice, clean day. We think we're going to be okay with our weather. At least make some passes, and he's going to get in that 28x10 shootout. This thing is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. This is a very nice, well-built car, John.
This older chassis, Bumblebee built it. So this is one of his old car before he was in the Bumblebee. So I mean, it's heavy, but it was built really for pro street.
Right, gotcha. How much does it weigh?
Almost 3,000.
3,000 with driver. Wow, this thing is heavy. I'm sure it is a ton of weight on the nose too with this big blower hanging off. Probably got a lot of percentage.
I mean, for what I do, I mean, you know, you got the fastest thing in the world, and it's a fuel-headed motor, so I don't have the baddest Hemi you can get.
Right.
Old school stuff. So
old school stuff. Having fun, man. This thing is awesome.
It's what your wallet can afford.
That's right.
And to me, it looks cool.
It does. This car, when it does a burnout, it just, everybody goes, "Oh my God."
Yeah, even if you're slow as hell, you at least look cool for a little bit.
like a good pass. You want to share with YouTube how fast it went?
Where'd it go? 620s?
620s at like 250 miles per hour.
No, I'm gonna say 37 mile an hour, right?
That looks strong. This thing has got so much anti-squat in the back, it's just sick. When you shut down, when you let off the gas, yeah, it's crazy.
Actually, the shock sensors only showed like 6 or 7 inches because I heard something out. I think I broke an intake rocker on. Like,
oh no! Oh, I got you.
It's a Hemi. They break.
You got parts for them, right?
We got parts.
That sounds like Randy Eller with our car. We got parts.
You gotta have parts. Especially the valve train.
Yeah, I hear you. Well, good luck. They just called drivers meeting. Y'all got somebody going up there?
I'm gonna go up there.
Okay. I know. I saw your shoes.
Like, oh no, this is about to get ugly.
Hey, at least you just left the shoe there partially.
Oh, it'd have been barefoot socks.
Barefoot socks.
And everything.
Track is pretty sticky. That looked like a great pass.
Yeah, it was all right.
That was a good pass. Well, man, that sucked.
Yeah, you think?
Yeah, everybody in that
We all lost.
everybody spun. If you were in the left lane, you lost. But it just, I mean, the luck of the draw. That's right, they
And
tried.
then the tractor broke and everything else. And now you set in like a.
Yeah, that's
and
right.
this shirt, I mean, once I seen the car in front, that Maroon Mustang, he's knocked tire. Was that a Learjet or
Yeah, private jet.
private jet? Yeah, once he knocked, I'm like, oh shit.
Yeah, that's
And he's on there. He's like, dude, you even want to start? I'm like, "We're here." Yeah, I was like, no,
right.
there's no point.
Yeah, I don't know that you could take enough power out of this one to make it go.
I don't know if you heard. I'm not even on the end of the brake. I wasn't forward. I just kind of was
Rolling in it.
sitting in it, and then on the brake, I just kind of cracked the throttle so I could kind of
Right.
roll it in. That didn't work either.
Yeah.
It wasn't working.
Yeah.
I don't think I could pull no power.
Well, that sucks. Yeah, that sucks. I mean, but you know, it's racing. I mean, it happens. I mean, that right lane was just gonna be the winner there. So this thing is awesome. He's out at the tracks all the time. Y'all stop by and see him. Do you have t-shirts yourself?
Nah.
You need to make some t-shirts. MethHead is perfect. That is a perfect t-shirt.
Yeah, for the kids, right? Take to school.
I know, right?
My little kids, I'm like, you ain't going to school, elementary school. That teacher will be calling me in a minute.
But look, it's a car. It's my race car.
Yeah, it's methanol.
That's right,
methanol.
methanol. Dude, that's awesome. Well, y'all go follow him, check him out. He's going to be he does all the Darlington next weekend.
Yeah, you're going to be doing no prep.
Yep, I'll be at the no prep race. That is Mike Hill's race, so he'll be out there trying to destroy them. All right, man. Sorry you lost. I mean, I hate that. It is what it is. Good seeing you.
All right, man. We can see you next go around.
All right, yes, sir. Take care.